Hey everybody, happy Monday to you all. It's time for our chart of the week, and this week we're going to be focusing on Twitter. Let's go ahead and mark this chart up as we go along. So what we find interesting in this chart over here is more recently, just before the earnings came out, we could see the huge earnings gap that hit back in October right there. We had a nice series of higher highs and higher lows. Stock was put together a nice little trading channel here since the gap down in July, and now it seems that the top of that channel is working as support for this stock right now. So it's interesting how the stock will be trading in a channel for a period of time, and then all of a sudden some event happens. In this particular case, in October, it was earnings. It gapped above that channel and checked back to see if that channel was good to hold. That support level was good, and we did get that hold and support, and now a new channel is probably developing. We're not going to look at it right now, but however, the fact that we bounced off of here and made a higher low on some pretty decent volume, nothing really to write home about, nothing as good as it was from back in October after the earnings came out, but still there's a little bit of enthusiasm here for Twitter. Once we can get above that high that was printed for post earnings, the day after the earnings came out, that's a really important level, but the $21.75 to $22 level, if we get above that level soon, this stock has got some legs to it, and first up is about $25 and then probably up to $30. That's not likely to happen perhaps until January or February, but still we are encouraged by that. We can see that as the stock kind of retreated post earnings, it did go negative in the money flow, but now it's starting to pick up some institutional sponsorship right now. It went back into the green on money flow. We need a little bit more time and a lot more buying on the behalf of Twitter to see that convince more buyers to come on in to the stock. But we're encouraged with Twitter here. It's had some good high relative strength. We can see here even after it pulled back just the last couple of weeks, it didn't pull back too far. It was one of those normal type of pullbacks. This stock was up a huge 25-30% in a couple of days. It needed a breather, and nicely it held it. It kept this gap open over here. Look, eventually that gap's going to fill, right? But we're not looking forward to that happening anytime soon, unless something bad occurs with Twitter. But we like Twitter here in the short term, and in the intermediate term, probably up to 25 in the next couple of months, and then beyond that, up near 30 or so. So that's Twitter. Thanks very much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys next time.